how to connect your Namecheap website to Wix website. So if you want to connect your Namecheap domain, so if you want to connect the domain to the Wix website, it is quite simple actually. Make sure you have purchased a certain domain from Namecheap and make sure that you have copied the DNS address and the website or the URL link, which is the domain link, right? Once you've done that, you want to come to your Wix dashboard and just select the proper website on which you want to connect that particular domain. After you've done that, you have to go on the left hand side and go to the option called setup. If you've not already set up, you'll find this option where you can see it says an option that says connect a custom domain. Now just paste the domain that you have from Namecheap right over here, and after you've done that, just hit the next button. Now if you want to also do that, you can see it says make it yours, but what we will do is for now we'll just click and just put on our name right here. And once we've done that, so once we went ahead and then enter the website name, it will ask us for the DNS address. So you have to make sure to paste the DNS address and whatever else it is that you have right from your Namecheap account. So this way you should be able to connect a Namecheap domain to your Wix website. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.